These maneuvers are neither stunts nor daring feats, but are refinements of basic techniques taught to every prospective naval aviator. Here at Andrews Air Force Base, we will demonstrate these maneuvers at very low altitude in traditional Blue Angel formation so that you can see and take pride in the precise fashion which your Navy and Marine Corps pilots are trained to fly. Now, direct your attention to the ramp before you. Observe the military manner in which the 6 demonstration pilots approach their aircraft and are saluted by their crew chiefs. Ladies and gentlemen, flying Blue Angel number 1, the commanding officer and flight leader of the Blue Angels from Lindenhurst, New York, Commander Kevin Mannix. Flying Blue Angel number 2, the right wingman from San Diego, California, Lieutenant Commander Paul Brantuis. Flying Blue Angel number 3, the left wingman and your hometown hero from right down the road in Warrenton, Virginia, Lieutenant Mark Swinger. Flying Blue Angel number 4, the slot pilot and one of the Marine Corps representatives in the Delta Formation from Austin, Missouri, Major Clint Harris. Flying Blue Angel number 5, the lead solo from Kirkland, Washington, Lieutenant Commander Craig Olson. Flying Blue Angel number 6, the opposing solo and other Marine Corps representative in the Delta Formation from Lapeer, Michigan, Major Nate Miller. As the crew chiefs assist the pilots into their jets, you are witnessing the teamwork found in all Navy and Marine Corps units. The Blue Angels also take a great deal of pride in personifying the Navy and Marine Corps values of honor, courage, and commitment. The Navy's Flight Demonstration Squadron, the Blue Angels, is the oldest performing U.S. military aviation demonstration team. Since